Hello, I'm Dawn from Two Rivers Workshop, and today I'm going to be replacing the blades in my Titan planer thicknesser. I bought this machine from Screwfix 3 years ago, and it's been very reliable, and I've literally put through hundreds of pallet boards and an assortment of other wood, and it's never missed a beat. The blades now have blunted, and considering the length of time I've had it and the amount of wood I've put through it, I think they've done incredibly well. So today I'm going to fit the new blades, and I thought you'd like to see how I go about it. Before doing any work on the machine, it's always a good idea to disconnect the power. And here you can see the mains cord is wrapped around the machine. The first job is to release the knurled nut on the top here, and to release this bolt here, which is released by an Allen key, and this disconnects the micro switch and will release the guard. And now the guard will lift away, revealing the cutter block. It's also important to make sure that the bed that raises and lowers is set to the high position. Using an 8mm spanner, once you've unscrewed all the bolts, then the plain blade assembly lifts out. Down inside the channel, I hope you can see this on here, there are two springs, one at each end. And take these and keep them carefully. The blade is located by 2 pins, one on each side, and when you remove the blade, so you remember the orientation for putting it back, the writing is on the outside. The blades recommended for this Titan planer are by Erbauer, and they cost me £12.50 from Screwfix. So with the new blade in place, retained by the 2 pins, we check the writing. It's exactly the same as before, the same orientation. We can now put this back here into the carriage. Before replacing the cutter block, do remember to put in the springs, which I forgot to do the first time. That's one, and that's 2. Now I hope you can see that this is on the springs now. The setting tool that is provided with the machine has 2 curved sections here, and they go here over the cutter block to help align the blade. By using the setting tool in this way, as you tighten the screws, what I find best to do is to hold it here in the middle, pushing down, tighten one each end first, then one in the middle, and then do up the remaining bolts. Not quite tight, just making sure it's firm before going and tightening them in sequence. Now that I've fitted both blades and tightened up the nuts, I'm just going to rotate the cutter block to make sure there's no scraping noises. Yes, that's rotating smoothly. Good. There we are. Now I'll plug the machine in and we'll give it a try. I've first got to connect the dust extractor.
put a link to the blades in the description below. I hope you found this video interesting, and you may like to subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more of the same sort of content. I'll be posting more videos in due course for more tool reviews and also projects that I'm working on. Well, thank you very much. I'll see you again and stay safe. Goodbye.